Scientific name, Aluipropoda melanoluca. Target professional owner, bamboo destroyer, accidental fashion icon. Zodiac sign, probably Taurus, based on my eating habits and love for naps. I am not here for the squad life. People think pandas are all cuddles and community, but nope, not me. I am an introvert. We pandas only meet once a year in spring for about 2 to 3 days, and that is just to, create more pandas. That is right, the rest of the time, we are doing our own thing. Once that is done, it is thank you next, and we are back to solo living. No roommates, no group chats, no drama. Peace, quiet, and unlimited bamboo that is the dream. Listen, when 99% of your diet is bamboo, you better be ready to commit. I spend more than 12 hours a day eating just to survive. We are talking about at least 18 kilograms of bamboo daily, and it still barely keeps me full. Why? Because bamboo is mostly fiber, and let's face it, fiber is not exactly fuel. So I eat and nap to recover, and then eat again. Do not call me lazy, I am just a very dedicated foodie. I mean, sure, some of you might think I am slacking off, but try eating the same thing for every single meal of your life. You would need a nap too. I have a sixth finger. Kind of. Nope, not a superpower, just some next level evolution. I do not have a real thumb, but I do have this thing called a pseudo-thumb, basically an overgrown wrist bone that sticks out like a rebel pinky. It helps me grip bamboo like a chopstick master. I may not text, but I can one-hand a bamboo stalk like a boss. So if you need any bamboo eating tips or are looking for someone to compete in a chopsticks challenge, you know who to call. Black and white is not just a fashion statement, it is survival gear. My fur helps me blend into snowy mountains and shady bamboo forests. The black patches around my eyes, they reduce glare and help with panda to panda staring contests. Who knew I was such a tactical dresser? So while you are out there struggling with your wardrobe choices, remember I am a walking, eating, sleeping masterpiece of efficiency. Here is the plot twist of the century. I am a carnivore, scientifically speaking. But I basically live on salad, bamboo salad, all day long. Okay, sometimes I will nibble on a rodent or bird or random plant root in the wild. And if I am in a zoo, I might dabble in honey, eggs, fruit, or even carrots and potatoes. But bamboo is my true toxic love. We break up, we make up, we chew it out. It is a complicated relationship, but I would not have it any other way. When I say baby pandas are small, I mean tiny, tiny. Like smaller than your iPhone tiny. Newborns weigh only 80 to 120 grams, which is about 1/1900th the size of their mama. We are basically the kings and queens of tiny baby giant adult. Also, our babies are born pink, blind, and hairless. So yeah, they are helpless marshmallows who need 24 hours, 7 days care. And they spend the first few months doing what they do best, sleeping and eating. Sounds like a pretty sweet gig, right? Oh, and we only reproduce every 2 years. Slow and steady might win the race, but it does not help our population crisis. Maybe, if we sped up our romantic schedule, we could have more baby pandas running around. But who wants to rush love, right? Shout to the red panda, the lesser-known ginger-haired member of the panda family, smaller than me, lives in the mountains of Shanxi, China, and rocks a stylish reddish-brown coat. I am not jealous, I swear. I mean, okay, maybe a little. They are introverted bamboo lovers too, but they are not technically the same species. Still, we both deserve protection and fan clubs. So if you've never heard of the red panda, go ahead and Google it. You are welcome. Yes, I sleep a lot. No, I am not lazy. I am a master of energy optimization. It is called balance. Eat, nap, vibe, repeat. Pandas do not stress. We do no hustle. We chill, conserve energy, and look adorable while doing it. Try living like a panda for a day. You will thank me. In fact, I encourage you to try taking more naps, especially if you are one of those people who thinks they can survive on 4 hours of sleep. Spoiler alert, you can not. Embrace alone time. Eat with passion. Nap with purpose. Ignore what does not serve you. Look good in black and white. Whether you are a panda fan or just panda-level tired, remember, you don't have to do it all. Sometimes it is okay to just exist. Munch a snack and nap it off. If the world was more like a panda, I am pretty sure we would all be a lot more chill. So go ahead, embrace your inner panda, and let the bamboo vibes take over.